Nepal, once renowned only for its snowy mountains, colorful streets, rare wheels, it is now rapidly evolving into a modern hub for infrastructural developments too.
अर्गनाइजेसनको छोटो परिचय गर्न चाहन्छु। बतास अर्गनाइजेसनको हेड अफिस पोखरामा रहेको छ भने कर्पोरेट कार्यालय काठमाडौँमा रहेको छ। हाल बतास अर्गनाइजेसनमा करिब 900 कर्मचारी आबद्ध छन्। बतास अर्गनाइजेसनको कोर बिजनेस भनेको अटोमोबाइल, बैंकिङ, फाइनान्स, रियल एस्टेट र हाइड्रो पावर रहेको छ।
Batas has been around for over 2 decades and has proven itself in its domains with much success. Its authenticity and customer centricity has encouraged Batas to partner with the best in the industry, Propel, since 2017. Nepal has a unique terrain, so are our customer requirements. Though it was initially challenging, the design and application team of Propel came through with customized, innovative ideas and simplified the crushing, screening and rinsing process.
And first 1 year was pretty challenging for Propel and Batas as well, due to end customer need was very different if you compare it with other Asian countries customer. Because of the feed material of the riverbed which is full of silt and clay, and the material contamination was very high. So thanks to our design team of Propel and application team of Propel, from there we are taking out the slurry and we are recovering the sand from that slurry through Prowash technology, which is the latest technology Propel has introduced pan India and globally also.
I joined Batas Tractors Private Limited as a sales manager for Propel Crossing, Screening and Washing division since 2019. Initially, we were very new in the market and we were pessimistic about the market situation conditions, and because Propel being a branded product, we were not sure whether we will be able to capture a higher market share and sell our products in the market. But with continuous support and guidance from Propel India team, we were able to achieve greater heights and were able to capture high market share.
प्रोपेलसँगको हाम्रो सम्बन्ध 2017बाट सुरुवात भएको हो। प्रोपेल एक मल्टिनेसनल कम्पनी हो। हाल प्रोपेलले हामीलाई चाहिने सम्पूर्ण टेक्निकल सहयोग गरेको छ, जस्तै साइट सेलेक्सन अफ द कस्टमर, र मेटेरियल म्यापिङ, इक्विपमेन्ट सेलेक्सन गर्ने कामहरूलाई हामीलाई उहाँले सहयोग गरिराख्नु भएको छ। इक्विपमेन्ट सेल्सको साथसाथै हामीले 24 घण्टा सर्भिस पनि दिइरहेको छौँ, जसमा हामीमा फ्याक्ट्री ट्रेन सर्भिस इन्जिनियर हुनुहुन्छ र यो सर्भिस इन्जिनियरको साथसाथै हामीलाई आवश्यक पर्ने सम्पूर्ण पार्ट्सहरू पनि हाम्रो स्टकमा रहेको जानकारी गराउन चाहन्छु। प्रोपेल र बतासको स्ट्रेन्थ भनेकै हामीले कस्टमरको निड अनुसार हामीले उसको साइट सेलेक्सन गर्ने, इक्विपमेन्ट रिकमेन्डेसन गर्ने, प्लान डिजाइन गर्ने, लेआउट फाइनल गर्ने र सम्पूर्ण इन्स्टलेसन, टेस्टिङ, कमिसनिङ गरिसकेपछि कस्टमरलाई चाहिने फाइनल प्रोडक्टको क्वालिटी पनि एस्योर गरेको कारणले गर्दाखेरि हाल प्रोपेलको मार्केट नेपाल अधिराज्यमा बढिरहेको र हामी अग्रगामी स्थानमा रहेको जानकारी गराउन चाहन्छु।
From 2017 till date, Batas' interests and growth in the industry have been consistent. Propel is proud to be a part of Batas' transformation journey from an inductee to an expert in the crushing, screening and washing segment.
Initially from a team of 2, we have added 6 more members, 4 for sales, 1 for project and 2 for after sales service support.
Looking forward from 2 installation to 12 installations in a span of 2 years proves the high acceptance level of Propel brand in the market.
क्रसर सेगमेन्ट हाम्रो नेपालमा राम्रो बजार भएको क्षेत्र हो। दिन प्रतिदिन हाम्रो समाजमा राम्रो प्रभाव पर्दै गएकोले आशा छ प्रोपेल ब्रान्डसँगको हाम्रो एसोसिएसनले नयाँ अवसरहरू सृजना गरेको छ र यसमा हामी धेरै उत्साहित छौँ।
Our primary assets are our employees. Batas' commitment towards sustainability, quality and values.